Hi, this is Yvonne. Today we are going to make some keto chocolate truffles. This is not an original recipe for me. I found this on delish.com. If you want to check the original recipe out, please have a look in the description box. I will put a link there. For the ingredients, we need some dark chocolate chips. This is what I could find in the local supermarket. But the problem is it has over 10% of the sugar. So if you want to, if you're under keto diet or diabetic conditions and you want to try this recipe out, just to make sure that your ingredients don't exceed the sugar level. And then the second one is avocado. From the original recipe, I'm not really sure the chocolate and avocado ratio, so I got 3 with me, just to try different consistency and see whether we can adjust it according to my knowledge. The third ingredient is vanilla extract. What I could find in the local supermarket is was some vanilla syrup. I don't want to use syrup because obviously it's not good for your health. To replace that, I'm using some tea. Any tea will do if you're following what I'm doing, just to make sure that your tea is kind of concentrated, because you're using the tea to flavor the dish. And then you will need some salt. It's said to be kosher salt, but I think any salt will do, I think. And the last thing is cocoa powder. Again, if you're under that condition, it's best to have some cocoa powder that it's not sweetened or doesn't have sugar. So let's get started. Just to prepare 2 metal bowls. The lower one, put some hot water, and in the upper one put some chocolate, because you don't want to let the steam to touch any kind of chocolate, because it would change the quality of the chocolate. I'm not sure whether I'm saying it correctly. Let's get started. I'm putting all the chocolate. How many grams here? 500 grams. Just pour some hot water. And then place it on top. As you can see, the chocolate's melting now. It's been 40 minutes. And this is the thing. I just pressed it, so there's a hole in it. I need to put some cocoa powder because we need to roll it with the cocoa powder, so we put it in a larger bowl. Let me see. Oh, they have recipes for chocolate cake and frosting and hot chocolate. Is it? From Hershey's. Okay. Put some. Oh, do I need to sift this? It's okay. Just press it down. Okay. Then we need to be sure you wash your hands before doing this. Oh, put on the cap. Okay, put it aside. Because we need to. It's so soft. Now I can scoop it. I should put in powder. Put it here. Roll it. Okay. It would be a mess, but I think it's a good recipe. If you have children, you can do it with your children. You have friends coming home, you can do it with your friends. It's a simple recipe. And roll it. Yep. Sticking on my hands, so we need some cocoa powder to avoid sticks. Okay, I think we can put it into the bowl. It's a bit awkward to be like a person and then chatting with the camera, but yeah. Oh. Do you watch K-pop? It's a bit awkward. Do you watch K-pop recently? Because I usually watch like Japanese idols. I'm not sure, do you watch it or not? Leave a comment below if you watch it or not. And if you know, Sakura went to IZONE, which has a debut MV called La Vie en Rose. I was kind of unsatisfied that Sakura, it's always blocked by someone else in the MV or what's called, like performance, like the official camera. But like, she's kind of shining, even in the, she's dancing at the back. And I was like, even she's dancing at the back, I can see her clearly and my focus is only on her. If she dances in the front, what will happen? Probably like everyone can't see like other members. So possibly that's why she's put it at the back. But I think it's kind of unfair because she has a high probably like fan base, a big fan base, and I think people have a saying that like probably like Sakura's fans did lots of work for promotion and boost up the record for like, I don't know, albums or something. I'm not sure. No one can be sure about this because no one did a check when they bought the album or music records, like the iTunes thing or something. Oh, if you're interested, you may check it out later on. And they have a variety show. I wonder, do I need to learn Korean, by the way? I don't really like Korean culture. Like, not that I don't like, but like, I don't feel the need of learning Korean or like the Korean culture. I went to Korea for like twice or 3 times for travel. But like, not really a Korean culture fan. But because Sakura is there, I'm feeling I have the need to learn Korean because she's saying Korean. Like, she's a Japanese, but probably because she's in the K-pop group, so she speaks Korean. And I don't understand when it comes like when the thing comes out. Like, is it called IZONE Show? The variety show. I think that's like kind of magic. When Sakura is not in the video, you're trying to find her. And when she's in the video, you don't see anyone else. You can just see Sakura. I kind of miss her videos, her YouTube videos on playing games as well, playing video games. I'm not really a gamer, but like she has a radio show as well. Radio program like when she's in Japan. I love listening to that while I'm cooking or almost asleep.